Hello, welcome to another dynamic do-it-yourself video. And today we are going into one of the well-known big box stores here in the United States, Costco. Let's see what deals we can find in here. OxyClean, which is a nice laundry booster, $17.99 for, wow, 11 pounds, over 11 pounds. Do the math. You can see what kind of savings you get with that. Can't beat it. Now you get two 1-gallon bottles of vinegar, distilled vinegar, for $3.49. And if you are really committed and you have the storage space for this, this is a great bargain. You can't beat it. This is an incredible price. Usually for Dr. Bronner's, 32 ounces, it will cost $11.99. Then you get two 25 fluid ounces for $12.79. $16.99 for 84 ounce coconut oil. This is a huge savings, but it depends on how often you're going to use coconut oil in your do-it-yourself projects and whether you have the storage for it. But $16.99, that's a good price. $14.99 for organic coconut oil, 1 gallon. Just for scale, you can see this is a lot. Once again, storage. If storage is a factor, I would suggest to buy it in smaller quantities. But if you don't have a problem with storage, goodbye. If you like what you saw, give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this or some of my other do-it-yourself videos, please subscribe. Leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching. Until next time.